If you have plans of traveling this Xmas period from ABIA to Enugu State, this is the video you need to see, because on this ride I'll be taking you through from Umuahia to Enugu State for you to see the current state of the road, either good or bad, so you know what to look out for while traveling, the police checkpoints on the road, the traffic level on the road. So join me on this ride till the end of the video. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'll be taking you on a ride from ABIA, Umuahia precisely, to Enugu State. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. So guys, let's go on the ride. All right, we are leaving Umuahia now to Enugu. So let's believe that the road to Enugu will be as good as what it used to be. At least we've seen how owerri to Umuahia is. So let's see the current state of Enugu Umuahia road. You can see they are walking on the road. They are trying to do drainage on the road. They are using central for the contract. Oh, the last time I came, they were not doing this. So they want to control the water. So far the road has been very good, so I don't really want the video to be too lengthy, so I'm going to stop and capture some specific places, like when I get to Okigwe, when I get to some bad spots along the road, I'll just let you know, and the areas. So we are approaching Okigwe now. I think one thing ABIA State is good for, they are good for tour. There seems to have a lot of tour. Even inside Umuahia, which the link to Umuahia in 2021 will be dropping below this video. I also did a brief stop around Umuahia to see what Umuahia looked like in 2021. So the link to the video will be dropped. You will observe that they also have one tour even inside the city center. As if they enjoy constructing towers in ABIA. Yeah, this is Okigwe. So far the road has been good, very good. Was the only place that used to be bad, but they've done it. This place used to be bad. So we are in Ogu now, Enugu State. Ogu local government to be precise. It's at Ogu that they have their NYSC campground for coppers. Currently at Ogu. The road has been good throughout. Major problem with the PORTHARCOUrt road is still after from Aba to Harcourt. If not, the road would have been one of the best to drive. We are doing some patching here. It's obvious with the holes you are seeing on the road, it's obvious we have entered Enugu State because they are very good with digging holes. So at this junction now, to your left is where the road to your left leads to the NYSC orientation camp. So it has been a smooth drive. I just sprayed the military at entering Enugu. Should not cause much traffic on the road today. Diversion, because they are still working on that part of the road. University of Nigeria Teaching Hospital, UNTH, Itikwazala. So this is UNTH. So we are trying to go back to Arlin. So welcome to Enugu State. So we're approaching Four Corners now. Left leads you to Ugidi, by your right leads you to esut, Enugu State University, Science and Technology. So just past Four Corners, now we're heading to the main town. Gariki flyover. They're actually walking on this road. They scraped it, so we have to join one lane again. So thank you so much for joining me on this trip. So if you find this video interesting, informative, please drop me a comment, like the video and share to your friends. Thank you so much.